Welcome to day number 38 of the 5 Luo Words a Day. And today we talk about aliech, alika, aliya, alo or elo, and aloda. Let us go. If you've not subscribed to this channel, this is the time to subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for supporting us. Aliech. Aliech. Aliech is a cow given as bride price when a marriage is successful and has born at least one child. In an example, we can say, Diang ma nyinge aliech ni ne onyuom go atieno. Diang ma nyinge aliech ni ne onyuom go atieno. Alika. Alika. Alika is a species of tasty wild greens. I couldn't get the picture, so I just put this one. And this might be awayo, but this is just an example of a tasty wild green, which is alika. Alika. The third one is aliya. Aliya. Aliya is dried meat, sometimes sun-dried or dried using the open fire. And an example we can say, Min Salim ne otedo nwa aliya chieng nyuol Yesu. Min Salim ne otedo nwa aliya chieng nyuol Yesu. And what does that mean? It means Salim's mother prepared for us dried meat delicacy over Christmas. So Nyuol Yesu translates to Christmas. Thirdly, we look about elo. In some variations, they say alo. So elo. Elo is to open something so that you can check progress. If it was boiling or if something was happening, you can check progress. For example, at the elo wi dapi mondo angi ka pi ose rumo. Adhi elo wi dapi mondo angi ka pi ose rumo. I'm going to open the lid of the water pot to check how much water is left or whether the water is done, is over. The fourth word is aloda. Aloda. So some parts, if it's perched like you see in the picture, we say obet aloda. Obet aloda. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.